and here we are with Sean out in the countryside somewhere. What have we got today, Sean?
We got this fantastic Volvo PV544 from 1960, which is very special because it was originally a car people drove for driving school.
Okay.
So they have this little cover plate here.
Right.
So before they would have had a windscreen wiper, so it would clean the windscreen so the learner drivers could look out and see. Right,
so that's just special for that one then, yeah? Because you don't normally see them on PVs, do you?
No, never seen it before.
Right.
And it's got this nice American chrome bumper at the back here.
Right.
With sport exhaust and reversing light.
Reversing light, that's another something that's not too common.
You hardly see those anymore. And if you look at the front, you've got two wing mirrors.
All right, nice.
Which would have been an option as well in the 60s, like a deluxe version.
All right.
At the front, you've got this Marshall spotlights.
Okay.
With rally grills over the headlights.
All right.
And they're like on sticks, on like stems. I've never seen it like this before. Usually they're on the bumper.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a B16 engine. And if you have a quick look inside, very well kept.
All right.
With a featured dashboard in wood.
No, that is very nice, isn't it?
That's totally original. Lots of accessories, different kinds of switching gear from a boat.
Right.
And Bo, what colour is this?
Light brown.
Light brown.
Right. Right, so if we look inside though, Sean, it says Savannah Motor Club.
Yep.
What's all that about?
In Georgia. The guy had bought a lot of parts and accessories from the US.
Okay.
And if he couldn't find them, he's built them. So even in the back here, he's handmade a toolkit here, if you have a look at the back.
Oh wow,
so
yeah.
It all folds up on the sides like this.
Oh, that's really smart.
So it's all handmade and, you know, every detail you can imagine he's done to this car. So
wow.
Extremely nice. And also he was fitted in the back seat here. He had fitted like some blow-up bed, so he could sleep in it as well.
So we're still going down that camper road then, yeah?
Sort of, yeah. But it's extremely nice, and it's on the auction in it's Easter, either the 3rd or the 5th.
Right.
So if you're looking for a car that you can just drive, doesn't need besiktning anymore, starts, drives, runs, it's a good one.
All right, excellent. But if I look over there, there's something else over there though, isn't there?
Yeah.
What's that about?
This is a Harley-Davidson 883 Sportster.
Sportster?
Yep.
Wow. Now we don't normally have bikes on this channel, but we've got one today.
Yeah. These are really comfortable to drive, and you've got the panniers at the back and you've got a little pannier at the front here.
Now, how much do you know about the 883 then, mate?
I'm not really up to date on the 883, but I know what they're like to drive. Very comfortable, easy, well balanced. It's a classic Harley.
And it's a Harley, mate.
Yeah, and it's got the small bars, it's easy to drive, powerful.
Right.
What's the horsepower on this, Bo? Hestkraft? Oh, 30 horsepower. So it's a good one.
Yep. And this one's going up on the Easter auction as well?
Yep. They're coming.
Okay, so here we are, about an hour down the road, and we have something else for you guys. So what we got today then, Sean?
We've got a 1984 VW Caravelle C in its 1980s style. This is a 1984 model. It's a Remo. So there was different kinds of ones you could get. You could get Westphalia.
Okay.
This is a Remo conversion.
So that's something that you would order when you were buying the vehicle brand new, yeah?
Yeah. So this has got the. If you have a quick look inside, you've got a little kitchenette with a
little fridge.
Yeah. And you've got water, and it's a gas stove.
All right. How many burners you got on there? A couple, yeah.
2.
All right.
And then you've got this fold-out seat, so you lift this up, and it folds out into a bed here.
All right.
So then it's room for 2 adults.
Lovely.
And then if you have a look up here inside, you've got another. You slide this part out that goes here, and then you've got space also for like 2 kids, couple of kids up there. Inside you got stereo, 2 seats.
All right, so it's a VW camper van as far as that's concerned.
VW camper van. It's got the water shield or the water-cooled engine on this.
All right.
Popular little car, a little van. Perfect for those staycations in Sweden.
Right, what's that there?
This one here is for the electric.
All right, nice.
On the camping site, just plug it in.
All right.
We've got 12-volt electric inside. So I mean, they're nice little cars, little vans.
Yeah.
Easy, cheap to fix, cheap to run.
All right.
So if you're looking for something for good price.
Right, so when is this one going out then?
This will probably go out on your Easter auction as well.
Okay, wow.
So,
loads of stuff for the Easter auction, yeah?
Yeah, it'll be Easter auction or maybe the auction after, but I think we'll get this on the Easter auction. So
yeah, like I said, all details will be in the description below.
Yep.
So we have more stuff for you.
We like campers. And so do you.
Love them.
So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.